See what happens during inspiration. External intercostal muscle constricts and the movement is like the handle of a bucket. It always goes upside and outside. Okay. So what happens when external intercostal muscle constricts? The volume of the pulmonary chamber increases and at the same time diaphragm goes down. It also increases the volume of the pulmonary cavity. And what would happen if the volume gets increased? We know that PV is equal to constant. That means pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. If volume gets increased, then what would happen to the pressure? Pressure would be decreased. Pressure would be decreased. So if the pressure inside the pulmonary chamber gets decreased, what will happen? Air will flow inside, because we know that air flows from a higher pressure to a lower pressure. Okay. So this is how inspiration would occur. How expiration would occur? Opposite events would occur. Opposite events would occur. Internal intercostal muscle would contract. And what would happen to the diaphragm? It will again go up at its own position. এই দুটোর জন্য কি হবে? The volume of the pulmonary chamber would be decreased again, and if the volume gets decreased, the pressure will go up. And if the pressure goes up, what would happen? It will flow towards outside. So this is the mechanism of breathing. And external intercostal muscles, internal intercostal muscles, and diaphragm, these three helps in this breathing mechanism. Okay, fine.